this value to negative means minus 1.1. So let's just check the answer. Just wait for the simulator to run. It's taking too long. So yeah, the number is negative. It has given us the correct answer, right? Now we will try something complex. So I will just remove this code from here, and let's just declare let n1 is equals to minus 1.0 and n2 is equals to and n2 is equals to 4.5 and n3 is equals to minus 5.3. Okay, we have took three variables, and now we will write the if conditions. If n1 is greater equals to 2, then this is our first condition. Now we will nest another if condition inside this first condition. Okay, so our next if condition, nested if condition, will be n1 greater equals to n3, and just put these brackets of the inner if statements and print largest number is n1. We can concatenate a string with a variable with this comma, right? Else, now we will write our else statement. Else our largest number will be n3. Just copy this code, just change to n3. Okay, and this was our first if. Now we will write the else statement for this if statement. And under this else statement we will write our another if statement, n2 is greater equals to n3. Okay, and write the print statement there that I'll just copy this one. The largest number is n2, else the largest number is number 3. So yeah, this is the code we have written to check that which variable is largest from these three variables. So we have done the if statements, if and else, and did if and else again in this if statements. So we did nested if else statements. So just run this program and check that which number is the largest one from these three numbers. So yeah, the largest number is 4.5, means n2 is the largest number among these three numbers, as we know that n1 is equals to minus 1.0, n2 is equals to 4.5, and n3 is equals to 5.3. So I will just change this number to minus and just check. Yes. So now we will just check again. Largest number is 4.5. So from this simple piece of code, we have found the largest number among two numbers. Similarly, in this manner, we can also check the smallest number among three numbers, and can also check that the number is either even number or an odd number. This type of small codes can help to build logics. So now we will check our switch statements. As we have discussed about switch statement, that switch statement is also a conditional statement, but it is preferable that when we are dealing with more than 5 or 6 conditions, then we can use switch statements. So just start. First of all, we will declare our variable. So I am writing a code to check the day of the week. So today I will check like 4, switch, just put the condition that what you are checking. Just put your variable over there and days of the week switch, and just write the now we will write our case 1. Case 1 is that the day of the week 1, as we know, the day is print Monday. Similarly, just write case 2, that is print Tuesday. I will just copy this, simply copy this code. Oh, copy. So these are our cases. Case 2, Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Friday is our case 5, and Saturday is our case 6. and we are left with our last case, that is case 7, Sunday. Sunday. Okay, so just run this code, but before running this code, you should also know that for switch statements we should also have a default statement, that if in case these conditions are false, then this statement will be executed.